Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about the real ROAS against the ROAS that you see on your ads manager. A lot of times people see the results that they have in the ads manager and they think that this is real, or they know that it's not real and they have a different interpretation. The thing that I like to do with brands, and believe me, you have to do that if you want to stay with them for a long period of time, because at the end of the day, you're not going to get paid with whatever Facebook says that was the revenue, but with their bank account and what they really have in their bank account. So I was always checking for ways for me to be more accurate with the reality and not checking only the ads manager that it could be stealing sales or whatever. So, and also this is saving me from discussions like let's exclude past customers and stuff, which I don't want to do, but I want to work with the reality. I want my clients to actually make money. So what do? I always have an Excel worksheet which is showing the reality, the actual ROAS that we got and which are good numbers for the company and all of that. And I'm watching the spend and all of these metrics. I will show you in my PC in a little bit. And I'm trying to find a correlation in between what I see in the ads manager and what I see in reality. And I have realized that I'm talking about this a lot, but I have never made a video to actually show you how it is. So this is the video today that I'm going to show you how I'm checking if I'm profitable in reality, because maybe some people might think that I'm really focused on the ROAS inside the ads manager, but I'm not. I'm having clients for 5, 6, 7 years. 7 is my longest. I have 4 years many and stuff. In my wedding, many people came that I'm working with them for many years. This has happened because I really do care if they make money and not only about the ROAS on the ads manager. Let's go into my PC. Let me show you how it's looking. Of course, it's a sensitive Excel worksheet, so I'm going to show only 2 columns, but still you're going to understand that if I'm hitting, for example, 1.5 here, and in reality I'm hitting 3, then I'm happy. I don't like 3, I want 3.5. Maybe I should be hitting 1.8 in Ads Manager in order to get that. And this is what you're trying to do. You're trying to find a correlation between what you see on the Ads Manager and what you get on the Excel worksheet in reality. And you do this daily. And you try to find what kind of numbers you need to see there in order for you to have the numbers that you want in reality, of course, if it's possible for you to hit those numbers. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So in this ad account, as you can see, there is nothing really fancy or whatever. You see, for example, in the last 7 days, for example, we have 1.57 and all of that. But let me show you what is happening in reality. And this is the difference. There are a lot of companies that they have good numbers. Even when you see on the ads manager different things, they have good numbers in reality. So we have this Excel worksheet which we have made with the owner, and every day one employee goes and it actually refreshes everything. I'm going to show you only blended ROAS here, the dates and the spend, just for obvious reasons. And you can see here that we're having ups and downs. Here we have a bad period, okay, that I'm trying to spend a little bit more, as you can see. And the moment that I see that it cannot do it, then I'm fixing it, then it's breaking again, I'm fixing it. It's just a battle that we have all the time like this. You can see here, for example, that over here we're having some good results, then I'm maintaining this spend, but then I have to lower spend in the last 2 days over here in order for me to be again in the green area. And in total, I'm in good numbers. Let's see another month just for reference. Okay, the same thing. Let's see on March, for example. Okay, we did spend, as you can see here, 42K. We did have good days. On the bad days over here, I fixed it. Then I tried to scale a little bit more. But you can see that whenever I see, it's not like it's red all the time. I'm following this mostly in order for me to be able to fix it, okay? So let's see, 13, 14, 15, 16. We had some, but not 16, but let's see, 13 to 15 of March. Let's see what kind of results we're going to see here. 13 of 15. 1.43, okay? So 1.43 in this period, 16 to 18, again, 1.54. 16 to 18 we have bad results, and then we have the good results that we want here: 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, 18 to 21. 1.88. Okay, so as you can see, I'm trying to find a correlation. Do I need to be on 1.9, on 1.8? If on 1.5 is bad. But this is not necessarily always the truth, because sometimes I might have 1.5 and in reality I'm having good results. That means that I'm not going to scale down. When I'm seeing that the results are bad, I'm scaling down and stuff. This is something that if you're serious and if you're running big budgets and stuff, you need to do, because you cannot just solely trust what is happening on the ads manager. You need to see what is happening over here and just be able to, when you have a bad period, to recover it and just be profitable at the end of the month. You can make your own Excel worksheet with whatever it's important for you. Maybe it's MER that you're going to follow. Maybe it's going to be new client acquisition. I had a client that was focusing only on that, new client acquisition, because it was a subscription model. You can focus in whatever you want and just try to see what kind of numbers you get in the Ads Manager and what kind of numbers you need to see there in order for you to see the good results on the Excel worksheet. I do really suggest that you should have this kind of correlation between the Ads Manager and reality, because at the end of the day, reality is what matters, and if you make money in reality, not in the Ads Manager. We know that the Ad Managers, they tend to actually have less reporting from what is happening in reality, so we need this kind of thing in order for us to know what is happening in reality and find this correlation, which is going to help you understand what kind of numbers you need to hit. Now you have a visual example. I think this is something that everybody should do, not just have a triple whale or another third-party app which is going to do it, but do it every day. Put one of your employees to do it if you don't have the time for the Excel worksheet. But this is important. These are your numbers. You need to understand them. You need to understand if it's a good day or a bad day. This is e-commerce, okay? And I think that you should do this daily, and you should check it daily, and you should try to see if you are scaling. Sometimes in the Ads Manager, we see worse results. In the reality, we're having better results, so we keep scaling. I think that this is very important for you to keep a track as a business owner or as a freelancer if you care about keeping clients for a long period of time. So please do it, and I think that you're going to benefit a lot from it. In any case, if you want to learn more, don't forget to check my book, my course, my website, and my mentorship programs. My new course is coming 15th of June, most likely it's going to be out. I think that all of you're going to like it. Until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.